Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export code from Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually open up aistudio.google.com, and then here on the left hand panel I'll click on build. I have this app that I created, so I'll come and click on this app, and then all I want you to do is actually come at the top right and click on this download icon. As you can see, it says download app, and the app will begin to download in a zip file. You can go ahead and extract it, and I'll show you how to do that. But before that, I'll show you how to also save this to GitHub. So if you want to export it like that, you come here, click on save to GitHub, and then you go ahead and connect to your GitHub account. You create a repository, and if I refresh right here, as you can see, I have my calculator app that I had created with Gemini right here, and you can go ahead and download it from here as well. And I'll show you how to go ahead and extract the zip file. You just go ahead and right click on that folder, come here, and you go ahead and just extract the files, as you can see right here, and then you just go ahead and open it up, and you have all your files for that app. Really that easy, and that is how to export code from Google AI Studio. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.